Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans. Alright, have a good one. No, wait. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, bot. No. Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Daikoku sauce yakisoba big with mayo. Yeah, this is gonna be a big plate of yakisoba, folks. I hope you're ready. I hope you're frickin' totally ready. Just a big powder sachet of the seasoning. And here's a big squirty mayo package. And we're gonna steep it in here for, I believe, 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I got a fork over here. Push down, and it's gone. So what's new, peoples? I'll show you something new. Look at that. I thought maybe it'd be something cool to put on my kid's stroller that would like freak people out. But as I'm sure you can see, can you even see that? Lasers! But it doesn't really, I don't know if you can even see it on my page. But I'm pointing this laser in my eye, directly in my eye, and it's not really doing much of anything. So I'm kind of let down. I was really hoping this would be like violently bright, but it's just not. And it turns off. That's no good. Let me try it in this one. I have a plethora of power banks to choose from. This is my main power bank. It's a beast, but I require a beastie power bank. Let's see. Yeah. This came off a Wish, so I'm not like entirely surprised. Some of their stuff's pretty good, and some of it's just like, eh. I've gotten stuff off a Wish and then just been like so under impressed that it's just ended up in the trash. But it's fun, you know. You're never out a whole bunch of money. I think usually I try to keep things that I get on there, including shipping, well under $5. So I got some stickers. I got a ton of stickers. Got a sticker stash. A lot of stickers. A whole lot of stickers. But today is the first day of spring. I'm feeling very like I gotta get out of here. I gotta go do things because it's spring. Coronavirus. Yeah? What's my problem? Did you really say that?
Why laps?
What? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, I despite the specter of coronavirus, I'm not really worried about going outside because I don't want anybody to touch me. I'll give everybody at least 6 feet around me. That's usually like, if somebody gets within 6 feet of me, I'm like, dude, why are you within 6 feet of me? That's how I am anyways. And actually, that happened this morning. So we got neighbors downstairs now, so they don't like me doing the apartment laps. I'm cool with that, you know. I totally understand. But I was out, and
That was so much fun.
was that too much fun?
That was so much fun.
Well, it wasn't so much fun, buddy, because this it's like they totally saw me, and they just kept rolling up, and then like kept going, and then they went, and it's like, I guess I could just say, well, I didn't get hit, but it was like, I was like waving at him, just like, dude, I'm like right in front of you. I'm here. Don't you see? I'm a pedestrian.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you, Papa.
Isn't that insane? Is that crazy? Are you a dinosaur? Are you pretending to be a dinosaur? Oh, he's doing something, folks. Yeah, Miles is a dinosaur. I think Miles misses school. Stir and stir. This is Daikoku. Yeah, Miles. Huh? Okay. No idea what he's talking. But yeah, I almost got hit by a car this morning. That sucked. I was ready to just like hop on that car and just go, dude, pay attention. I don't care what you got on your. Okay, copycat.
What do we do?
I don't know. What do we do? I'm making yakisoba.
Will we?
Is that okay? You're being loud. Oh, and you're singing along to Daniel Tiger now. We really lucked out because they had a Daniel Tiger live at the Paramount down in Seattle 2 weeks ago, and if it had been like last weekend, we couldn't have gone because you're not allowed to have a large gathering. Cheers. That's pretty good. I'll give that that's pretty good.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Papa's doing his important instant noodle cooking time show, Miles. So no need to yell. Papa does his yelling on the show. You're pushing it, kid. You're pushing it, you see? Okay, so there's some mung bean sprouts and some spring onion. I've got some beef. There's the beef. Yeah, I could cut this beef up a little. Why not? For a better beef distribution. And you know what else goes good in yakisoba? Well, I'll tell you. I'm already telling you what to do with your instant noodles, so I might as well add a little of this now. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here. Miles, go play and have fun. Go. Go, 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 go. No. Miles has this thing lately of just like making a lot of noise. Which I totally understand. I dig making noise, but it's kind of like, that's cool, you want to make the noise, but I want to do the show, and then after the show, we'll hang out, we'll do stuff. But currently, it's noise time. No noise. Okay, let's see what we got to work with here. We got some beef and other stuff. There's our mung bean sprouts. Yeah, I walked by a restaurant this morning and there was people in there eating. And that's like, right now, all restaurants are supposed to be closed. There's freaking people in a restaurant eating. It's like, we're gonna have this freaking coronavirus for the next freaking umpteen million years because old folks need to go out and have their big slam breakfast or whatever. Yeah, it's just like up the road from here. What can you do? I mean, I'm not going to go in there and say, hey! I could. I could call the police. I don't want to do that. Somebody'll call the police. Right? Does everybody think it's a big overreaction until they get sick? That's the thing I dislike. I didn't think I was involved. I didn't think it considered me to be somebody that it would go after. I never get sick. Yeah, you guys are all freaking doomed. That's the way I see it. And to top it off, they're like talking like this whole area is under lockdown because the restaurants are closed. It's like there's a difference between having a don't leave your home order and a restaurant being closed. Because, I mean, if people want to go out and do something, they'll go to the only place where there's somewhere to go out and do something, which currently is just not restaurants or bars, but the grocery store. I've gone to the grocery store 2 mornings in a row. Why? Well, because I needed bananas. But, yeah. And I just read an article in the New York Times. Is it safe to go out walking? Oh, come on. I need a little help here, folks. Let's give this a try. You know, sometimes these mayonnaise packets just don't behave. But I want to get the little thin stream coming out. But then it does this kind of crap. It just like gets all gloopy. Like, don't get all gloopy. Come on! Yeah, there's got to be something somewhere. Because look, see that? It's like an enormous Pinterest fail. And there's that. I mean, it just looks like it's like all over the noodle. And then let's have some shichimi. And some sesame. appears to be or tastes like standard Japanese mayonnaise, which has like a little bit of a lemony kind of thing going on, which is cool, kind of like Kewpie. But it ain't Kewpie, that's for sure. Or it might be, I don't know. Anyways, Rotato, do your deal. Oh no! I almost forgot. It's like the exciting part. 3 or 4? I think I only got 3. Alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah. Yakisoba. Have a good one. Bye.